unpretentious. To understand this word, let's begin with the verb pretend. When you pretend, you deliberately behave as though something is true when actually it is not true. You may pretend just for fun or sometimes to deceive someone. Children sometimes pretend that they are asleep, but actually they are awake. Sometimes people pretend ignorance of the situation to avoid any kind of blame or to avoid discussion. The noun form is pretense, meaning a particular type of behavior to deceive people. The adjective is pretentious. Pretentious people try to show that they are smarter or more important or more intelligent than the others. Someone may have a pretentious style of writing, so they use three difficult words, where a simple word, just one word is enough. The opposite is unpretentious, simple and not trying to impress anyone. It's a good quality. For instance, he is an unpretentious scientist. People in villages, the country folk, are usually simple and unpretentious. I hope you are and will remain unpretentious all your life. Thank you very much. I am Dharmendra Sheth, founder Fluent Lingua, Surat.